Hello kids. Today we will practice simple sentences. We will learn about cats. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Cats love to play daily. Again, cats love to play daily. Your turn. Very good. They sleep a lot too. Again, they sleep a lot too. Your turn. Very good. Cats have soft, fluffy fur. Again, cats have soft, fluffy fur. Your turn. Very good. They chase mice and toys. Again, they chase mice and toys. Your turn. Very good. Cats purr when they are happy. Again, cats purr when they are happy. Your turn. Very good. Some cats like to climb. Again, some cats like to climb. Your turn. Very good. Cats love cuddles and pets. Again, cats love cuddles and pets. Your turn. Very good. Are you ready to answer some questions? Question 1. What do cats love to do? Option 1. Eat fish. Option 2. Play daily. Option 3. Sleep all day. And the right answer is option 2. Play daily. Cats love to play daily. Question 2. When do cats sleep? Option 1. At night only. Option 2. All the time. Option 3. A lot. And the right answer is option 3. A lot. Cats sleep a lot. Question 3. What do cats have on their bodies? Option 1. Soft, fluffy fur. Option 2. Feathers. Option 3. Scales. And the right answer is option 1. Soft, fluffy fur. Cats have soft, fluffy fur on their bodies. Question 4. What do cats like to chase? Option 1. Birds. Option 2. Mice and toys. Option 3. Leaves. And the right answer is option 2. Mice and toys. Cats like to chase mice and toys. Question 5. How do cats show happiness? Option 1. Meow loudly. Option 2. Jump around. Option 3. Purr. And the right answer is option 3. Purr. Cats purr when they are happy. Thank you so much for reading along. Teaching Mama is very happy. Would you like to meet me in the next video? Till then, take care and bye-bye.